India Newborn Action Plan INAP. Developed in response to Global Every Action Plan, launched in June 2014, targeted strategy for accelerating the reduction of preventable newborn death and stillbirth in country. Recent intervention focused not only reducing in the burden of the stillbirth and neonatal mortality rate, but also maternal death. The global is to attain single-digit neonatal mortality rate by 2030 and single-digit stillbirth rate by 2030. Goals: ending preventable newborn death, ending preventable stillbirth. Sixth component of INAP: preconception and antenatal care, care during labor and childbirth, immediate newborn care, care of healthy newborn, care of small and sick newborn, care beyond newborn survival. Family and community, reproductive health and family planning, home visit by ASHA, screening of birth defect, outreach subcenter, antenatal screening, immunization, integrated management with IMNCI, health facility, antenatal screening, emergency obstetric, management of preterm labor. Three types of services: essential, reproductive health and family planning, exclusive breastfeeding, immunization, clean postnatal practices, home visit till 6 weeks by trained ASHA, emergency obstetrics, skilled birth attendant, clean birth practices. Situational implementation depend on epidemiological context, prevention against malaria, antenatal screening for malaria, antenatal screening and management of hypothyroidism, Hep B, HIV, malaria, prevention of Rh disease, advance based on health system capacity, newborn screening, intensive care services at regional level for assisted ventilation, surfactant and surgery. Family and community, reproductive health and family planning, adolescent reproductive health, delay age of marriage and first pregnancy, birth spacing, nutritional related intervention, balanced energy protein supplementation, preconceptional folic acid, maternal calcium supplementation, counseling and birth preparedness, prevention against malaria. Outreach/subcenter, antenatal screening for anemia and hypertension disorder of pregnancy, antenatal screening for malaria, prevention and management of mild to moderate anemia, adolescent friendly health services, maternal TT immunization, and interval IUCD interventions. Health facilities, antenatal screening and management of severe anemia and hypertension disorder of pregnancy, antenatal screening and management of hypothyroidism, hepatitis B, HIV, malaria, adolescent family health clinic, postpartum family planning services including PPIUCD insertion, prevention of Rh disease using anti-D immunoglobulins. Family and community, skill birth attendant, clean birth practice, outreach and subcenter, identification of complication and timely referral, pre-referral dose of ANM, antenatal corticosteroids, antibiotic for premature rupture of membrane, health facilities, emergency obstetric care, management of preterm labor. Family and community, delayed cord clamping, intervention to prevent hypothermia, immediate drying, head covering, skin to skin care, delayed bathing, early initiation and exclusive breastfeeding, hygiene to prevent infection, outreach/subcenter, vitamin K at birth, neonatal resuscitation, health facilities, advanced neonatal resuscitation. Home visit till 6 weeks by trained ASHA, counseling, prevention of hypothermia, family early identification of danger sign, prompt and appropriate referral, exclusive breastfeeding, clean postnatal practice, outreach and subcenter include immunization, care of small and sick newborn, family and community, thermal care feeding support, outreach and subcenter, integrated management using INMCI, injectable, gentamicin by ANM for sepsis, pre-referral, completion of antibiotic course in case referral or advised by treating physician. Healthcare facilities, kangaroo mother care at facilities, full supportive care at block and district level, NBSU newborn stabilizing unit, SNCU special newborn care unit at district level, newborn intensive care unit at renal level for assisted ventilation, surfactant use and surgery. Family and community screening for birth defect, failure to thrive and developmental delays, follow up by visit, SNCU discharge baby till 1 year of age, small and low birth weight babies till 2 years of age, outreach/sub center as before. Health facilities, newborn screening, management of birth defect, which includes diagnosis and treatment including surgery, follow-up of high-risk infant, developmental delays, and appropriate management. Birth registration, stillbirth rate, early neonatal mortality rate, percentage of neonatal death to under 5 death, survival rate of newborn discharged from SNUC, NICU at 1 year of age, cause specific neonatal mortality. Dashboard indicator for preconception and antenatal care. Birth to woman age 15 to 49 years out of total birth. Percentage of pregnant women who receive full ANC. Percentage of pregnant women detected and treated with severe anemia. Percentage of pregnant women. Dashboard indicator of child during labor and childbirth. Percentage of safe delivery. Percentage of preterm birth. Caesarean section rate. Percentage of women with preterm labor. Intrapartum stillbirth rate. Dashboard indicator of immediate newborn care. Percentage of newborn birth defect within 1 year of birth. Percentage of newborn delivered at healthy facility receiving vitamin K. Percentage of labor room staff trained in Navjat Shishu Suraksha Karyakram. Percentage of newborn weight at birth. Percentage of low birth weight babies. Dashboard indicator of care of healthy newborn. Percentage of newborn receive complete schedule of home visit under home-based newborn care. Percentage of sick newborn identified by home visit by ASHA. Exclusive breastfeeding rate. Percentage of mothers stayed for 48 hours in facilities. Percentage of newborn receive birth dose of Hep B, OPV and BCG. Dashboard indicator for care of small and sick newborn. Percentage of district hospital with functional SNCU. Percentage of facilities with SNCUs having functional kangaroo mother care unit. Percentage of female admission in SNCU. Mortality rate in newborn with admission weight less than 1.8 kg. Percentage of newborn defect due to birth asphyxia. Percentage of newborn with suspected defect. Dashboard indicator of care beyond survival. Percentage of newborn screened for birth defect. Percentage of newborn with any defect seen at birth. Percentage of newborn discharged from SNCU. Percentage of district with functional district early interventional center, that is DEIC. That's all about India Newborn Action Plan. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, and subscribe my video. India Newborn Action Plan, INAP.